Hi, Ryan Murphy here from Guitar Lessons with Ryan, and today we have an awesome song called Stumblin In, so let's zoom on in for a close-up and get started. Alright, so this song has 4 basic chords. Now if you're proficient at reading chord charts, you can skip on ahead where I go over the song structure, but otherwise let's get started. First chord is going to be an A minor chord. That's going to be open on the 5th string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the 4th string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 1st finger, 1st fret on the 2nd string, and open 1st string. Next chord is going to be the D chord. It's going to be open on the 4th string, 1st finger, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the 1st string, and 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Next chord after that is the G chord. Now I use the 4-finger G chord. You could use the 3-finger if you'd like, but I use the 4-finger because then I can leave the 3rd finger down when switching from the D to the G. So this is going to be the 2nd finger, 3rd fret of the 6th string, 1st finger, 2nd fret on the 5th string, open on the 4th, open on the 3rd, 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and 4th finger, 3rd fret on the 1st string. And the final chord is an E minor chord. Now from the G chord to the E minor, you can leave the 1st finger down, like so. And we're going to have the open on the 6th, 1st finger, 2nd fret on the 5th string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the 4th string, and then the rest of the strings are open all the way down. So it's going to be A minor, D, G, E minor. Alright, next we're going to go over the strumming pattern. So basically it's going to be a down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Now to make it a little more stylistic, what you can do is a muted down strum on beat 2. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and. So sped up, it's going to sound like this. Okay, one final note, when switching between the chords, I would switch on the and of 4, that last upstroke, so it'll sound like this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, switch. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, switch. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Alright, so for the song structure, we're going to be starting on the chorus. Now the chord progression is going to be an A minor to a D, to a G, to an E minor, using the down, down, up, down, up strum pattern. Like so. Alright, so let me just play through it and you can see where all the chords are. And basically it's going to be A minor, D, G, E minor throughout the entire song. So it's going to be pretty basic. So let's follow along. Here we go. Our love is alive, A minor, D, and so we begin, G. Foolishly, A minor, hearts on the table, D, stumbling, G, E minor. Love is the flame, A minor, D, burning within, G, E minor, now in the A minor, D, stumbling in. Stay on the G for 2 bars here. Wherever you go, A minor, this is the verse part. Whatever you do, G, E minor. Know that these A minor, this thoughts of mine, D rather, you, I'm falling for you, A minor, D, whatever you do, G, 'cause baby you've shown down, A minor, D, I never knew, G, whatever it takes, A minor, baby, do it for you, G. Now we're going to be going to the next chorus part. Love is alive, A minor, D, and so we begin, G. Foolishly laying our hearts on the table, stumbling in. Our love is a flame, burning within. Now and then, twilight will catch us, stumbling in. Alright, now before we continue, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know if there's any songs that you would like me to cover in a future lesson. Okay, now the next part is the solo part. I'm just going to give you the chords. It's going to be A minor, D, G, E minor, A minor, D, G. Alright, now we're going to move on to the next verse part, same exact chord progression. You were so young, I was so free. Man, baby, it's not what I wanted to be. Oh, you were wrong. Oh, why was it me? Bars on the G. Our love is alive. This is the chorus part again. And so we begin. Foolishly laying our hearts on the table, stumbling in. Love is a flame, burning within. Now when our love stumbling in. Now we're going to go to the outro part, and going to be using the same chord progression again, A minor, D, G, E minor. And we're going to do a fade out on this one. You can repeat it over and over again, do a fade out. If you want to, you can end on a G chord to kind of resolve the song. So let me just give you a little taste of the outro before we wrap up this song. Stumble in A minor to a D, stumble in G, E minor, foolishly A minor, on the table, stumbling in. I'll stumble in A minor, stumbling in G, E minor, now while catch us, stumbling in G. Like I said, you could just repeat this over and over again, and you can either do a fade out, or you can end on a G chord. Alright, now that's all there is to it for this song, and don't forget to head over to my Patreon where you'll find an exclusive song sheet PDF that you can print out and use to practice along with at home. In addition to that, you'll have access to all the other songs I teach on YouTube, as well as the ability to vote on which songs I teach next. Alright, thanks so much for stopping by, have fun, and I'll see you next time.